Come test drive this 2014 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.